Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mathematics. In this video lecture, we come to know about independent set or vertex independent set. This one is again the part of subgraph. So now a subset of a vertex set of a graph G is independent set if and only if it contains no pair of adjacent vertices. So what does it mean? So for example, this one is a given graph and here the independent set means we should find out those set of vertices where the vertices which have no connections, that means they are not adjacent to each other. So if we consider from this graph the set BD, so B is this one and D is this one, so they are not connected, so these two are not adjacent. That's why we can say this is the independent set. Now it is the AC. AC means A is this one and C is this one. Again they are not connected, so these two are independent. Now it is ED. E and D. These two are again no connection is there, so these are independent. AD. So A is this one and D is this one, so no connection between them, so this is independent. Again AE. These two again we can say these are independent sets. And one more, it is AED. So these three are there. Among AED, no connectivities are there. No one is adjacent to each other. So all these we can see as the independent set. Now here we categorize something according to the properties. So first of all, so BD, AC and AED. That means BD, AC and AED. These three independent sets are called the maximal independent set. That is because these three have no proper subsets which are independent of these sets for this graph. So these are called the maximal independent set because no proper subset. These are not the set of any proper subset which are independent again. Now the set this one AED. AED is a maximum independent set because it is the highest number of vertices containing. That's why this is called the maximum independent set. Now the maximum independent set, according to that we will find out the vertex independent number which is denoted by alpha G. If we consider this graph, then for this particular graph the vertex independent number is 3 because in the maximum independent set the number of vertices are 3. Now here the pink sets, that means it is ED, AD and AE. These are independent sets but not maximal because these are the proper subset of AED. We know that AED, this one is the independent set. And look, ED is the subset of this one, AD is the proper subset of this one and AE is also the proper subset of this one. As these three are the proper subset of the set AED, that's why we will say that these are independent set but not maximal independent set. So now how to find out the independent set, that is the maximum independent set. How to find out the maximum independent set? So for that there are two steps. First of all, we just find out the complement of the given graph and after that we find out the maximum clique for this complemented graph. So what we will do? Initially this one is our given graph. If we find out its complemented graph, then it should be this one. So this one is the complement of the given graph. You just draw by yourself. Look, this one, this dotted line denotes your original graph and this one, these lines are joining to get the complementation of the given graph. So after getting the complement of this graph, what we will find out that what is the maximum clique for this graph. So for maximal clique we will find out that BD creates a clique because this is the complete subgraph of the given graph given this complemented graph. Now AC, this is another clique and ADE, this one is another clique. So among these three, definitely ADE is the maximum clique for this given complemented graph. Now, so this clique is the maximum independent set of G. So at first we should find out the complement of the given graph. Then find the maximum clique for this complemented graph. And this maximum clique contain which vertices? These are the independent set for the given graph. That means for the given graph G, our maximum independent set is AED, and according to this one, the maximal clique containing the vertices ADE. Both are same. Hence, by this way, we can find out the maximum independent set for the given graph. Now, here are the cliques which we will say about this one. So, if this is the given graph, just look at here. This one is the independent, this one is the complemented graph, and its three cliques are this one, and this one. So that the maximal clique is here ADE. So which is the maximum independent set of G. So for example, here find all the independent sets of the following graph. Hence, find the vertex independent number of G. If this one is your given graph, so for this graph, you are supposed to find out the independent sets, all independent sets, and find out the vertex independent number also. Hope you enjoy this video, and waiting for your reply. Give the answer as early as possible. Thank you all.